Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm going to show you how to change your low beam headlamp. It's the same thing for the high beam also. They're just right beside each other. Alright? On a Hyundai Sonata. Same thing for the Kia Optima. They're both the same car. And it's the same thing for both sides. Alright? So the one I'm going to change is going to be the one on the right because that's the one not working. Alright? Alright, so you're gonna have this cap right here. You want to twist it counterclockwise or anti-clockwise, whichever way you call it, and pull out on it. Alright, want to do the same thing for the bulb also, counterclockwise and pull out on it. And then you want to squeeze right here on the bulb, so squeeze right here and pull back on that. As you can see, when I squeeze it, that come over that. Alright, get that off. And the bulb it uses a 9005. It's a 9005 bulb. So be real careful and put this on just like this. Back in the hole, at the same position you take it out, and then you want to rotate clockwise and it lock into place like that. Alright, so put it in the same way you take it out and rotate it clockwise and lock it in. The cover, you want to do the same thing for the cover. Put it in the same way you take it out, rotate it clockwise and lock it in place. Alright, that's how you change the bulb on your low beam on the Hyundai Sonata or Kia Optima. Same thing for the high beam. Hold this right here, twist this out, and this is the high beam I'm working on right here. And you do the same thing with the bulb. Alright, twist the bulb out and you pull it out like that. So, and this bulb is a 9005 also. So I'm not going to take it out all the way because it's basically the same procedure. Alright, and after that you want to check the bulb to make sure they work. Alright, so turn on the high beam and the low beam. Didn't turn it on. Alright, thought I had turned it on. One more click. Alright guys, thank you for your love and support. See you next time. Peace out.